All right. Once again, today, I have two things, not four things. Two things. One is my wife said the clock in the bathroom won't tick, and she wants me to change the battery out. She couldn't change it out. Like I said, I think they are sending me projects or little chores to do, because I think that they just laughing at me when I do these videos. I don't know. I'm never done a YouTuber. Don't know how to video. I don't edit nothing. I just put it. But this battery won't come out of this bitch. You see? And it makes me think that they're fucking with me. Because they're fucking with me. Because they know it tears my nose up. One thing. Second thing I'm kind of scared about. They sent this little blue fucker in here in this bag for a battery change. And I don't even know what this is. But why they got it in a bag? Is it gonna, somebody shit on it? Somebody nasty something on it? Why is it in a bag? So, I don't know. If it does something. Fuck, shit ass bag. Don't need that shit ass bag. But look, oh. But it's supposed to talk and do shit. But once again, ain't no fucking way that a fucking screw is in there. Oh shit, see that? It's in there that damn tight. So they oh shit. Get the fuck out of here. What the hell is that? You fucking... Oh, shit. What is that? Jesus fucking Christ. This is what they do. I don't know what the fucking alien is. The clock. They super glue the battery in. Fuck them.